Hi, welcome back everyone. How is it going? In this video, we will learn about how to get Python up and running on your machine. Although downloading and installing Python on any machine running with operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux distributions such as Ubuntu requires some basic skills and some might find it prone to errors. My suggestion is to download one of the most famous Python data science framework installer from Anaconda. This is an open source distribution and has more than 7,500 packages in it, thus making it very popular single source distribution for installing Python framework and almost all the required packages on the machine. It can be downloaded from the website anaconda.com/distribution as shown on the screen. By clicking on download link here, and selecting the appropriate operating system that your machine has, either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, we can see that the link for downloading the distribution appears here. For example, if you are on Windows machine like me, clicking on the Windows icon over here, we can see that there are two boxes that show the two distributions that are available to download, which use either Python version 2.7 or 3.7 as their base Python framework, either for 32-bit or 64-bit operating systems. My suggestion is that you should download Python version 3.7 based distribution, because soon Python version 2.7 will be stopped for any update and supports as announced by the website python.org. Also, depending upon the architecture of your machine, download either 32-bit or 64-bit distribution by clicking on respective link. Since for Windows it is an exe file, installation is done by double-clicking on the downloaded exe file and subsequently followed by agreeing to the terms and condition as well as other instructions that will be shown on the screen during the installation process. I'm skipping that step and leave it to you to install the framework, which should not give you any problems. But if you still face any issues, please write in comment section and I will help you to get through it. See you in the next video. Happy learning.